the rocks. Okay, get your Pop Rocks from Dad.
Pop Rocks.
First time around. Are they open? Oh.
Cherry.
Say, what the heck, Dad?
What the heck, Dad?
Probably put in your mouth and hope for the best, right? All right.
Let's try it first. Right, Mama?
Yeah, we're going to try it out.
Let's try it out.
And you're putting your hand, and then you go, okay? All right. Bend your fingers so they don't spill. Try them out. Just put them in your mouth. Hurry.
Close your mouth.
You like them?
What's it doing?
Poppy.
Go, ah.
All right. You like these? Yeah? You can have more. What's that noise?
Poppy.
Popping. From
Like
what?
fireworks, huh?
In your mouth.
Pop. Uh-oh. It's okay, right, Mama?
That's okay. Oh my gosh. Can I have some of your Pop Rocks? Yeah, thanks.
Mama.
Oh, thanks. I can have them right out of your hand. How about some of that pile there? Can I have some of those? Don't touch them all. I don't want them all touched.